Gaining control over the ever-increasing volume of business documents in your office is like herding cats. It's not easy. Or is it? Like cats, documents can be unruly. They multiply, get lost, even stolen. Corralling and safeguarding your most valuable asset, information, is a similar challenge for businesses of all types and sizes. Anne here handles contracts, invoices, performance reviews, and emails every day using different applications and platforms. Hard copy of these same documents get filed, which carries a high cost. The management of multiple application silos, databases, and content pools creates unnecessary and costly workflow bottlenecks. The solution to inefficient processes is simple. Capture information into one integrated, scalable enterprise content management system using Kyocera MFP connectors. Anne chooses a folder, enters index fields. After scanning, the information is immediately available to authorized users in virtually any format. This is business process improvement. Anne has just one interface to seamlessly capture paper-based workflows and effortlessly access the digitized files. Mobile employees can leverage that same platform to capture and retrieve information at any time from anywhere on any device. Whether working at headquarters or on the go, information is always at your fingertips. By improving workflow, decision-making is faster, which builds a more collaborative and competitive workforce. When partnering with Kyocera, it's easy to get all your cats in a row and reap the many benefits of BPI. Connect people with the information that drives your business today and create the secure, sustainable, and profitable office of tomorrow.